Hey guys, it's Samantha and welcome back to another Mytanfeet video. In this video, we are going to talk about packing for Costa Rica. And this is going to be the essential items that we recommend to bring and why we recommend them. So the first item on our list is sunscreen. So Costa Rica, you may not know this, but it is only 8 to 12 degrees from the equator. And being a tropical country here, it is hot and the sun is strong. Even when you're up in the mountains, you definitely want to bring sunscreen. So there are a couple of sunscreens that we really like, and usually we'll bring them back from the US actually. So we really like Sunbum. This brand is awesome. And then Trader Joe's actually makes some really good sunscreen, especially this mineral stick. If you're a surfer and you plan to be out in the ocean for a couple hours catching waves, this is great for your face. Now you can also buy sunscreen here in Costa Rica, but a little tip is that it's expensive here. So if you can, bring your own, and we also recommend you to bring reef-safe sunscreen. Then the next item on our list is mosquito repellent. So being a tropical country again, there are mosquitoes here all year round. For me personally, I like to use something with DEET, which is a little stronger, but if you don't want to use DEET, you can find like DEET-free mosquito repellent here in Costa Rica. But again, this is an item that is a little bit more expensive here. So if you can bring it, we highly recommend you to bring it from your home country instead. The next item on our list, well, are sunglasses. Obviously, if you're going to the beach, you're going to need sunglasses. And then a hat or a visor, something to protect yourself from the sun, because as I mentioned earlier, Costa Rica is very close to the equator, so the sun here is super strong. Something else that we definitely recommend to bring is a battery pack. That way you can always have something to charge your phone with. As you know, like our phone, we use it nowadays for for pretty much everything, even GPS. So definitely a battery pack. If you're going to be driving, this is super useful on those long drives. And the next item we recommend you to bring is an insulated water bottle. Now this is for a couple of reasons. I love this one. This is my hydro flask and it's insulated, so I always have cold water whenever we go, which is amazing if we're out at the beach or hiking or something, always have cold water to drink. But also Costa Rica, in the national parks and protected areas, they are not allowing single-use plastics anymore, which includes bottled water. So bring your water bottle so you can have water on those hikes. For those of you who are sensitive to the sun, it may burn easily. Something else to help you besides sunscreen to protect yourself is a rash guard or any type of clothing that has sun protection. This is super important if you plan to be out like on the boat fishing all day. Like I keep saying, the sun here is really strong and we always see tourists very burnt and very red here. So protect yourself and bring some sun protective clothing. Now these last two items are really useful if you're going to visit Costa Rica in the rainy season or more rainforest areas. So I always love to bring with me a microfiber towel because we do carry around a lot of camera equipment. So this is great for covering the camera really quick just in case if it starts raining. Also though, if we're hiking in the jungle, this is great for like wiping yourself off with sweat because it is super humid. So super useful, they dry fast, and it's small as you can see. Definitely recommend it. And then the last one is a must for rainy season, and that's your waterproof rain jacket. I love my North Face. This has been like a savior for me in, I don't know, many years and in many places in Costa Rica. And so if you're visiting during the rainy season, which is around May to November, or even in the more rainforest and humid areas like the Caribbean coast or Osa Peninsula, definitely bring a waterproof rain jacket and always have it with you when you're out. So these were our essential items to bring to Costa Rica. If you guys want to learn more about things that you need to bring, we actually have a dedicated post on our blog with a free packing checklist that you can download, print, and use for yourself. So I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Costa Rica content. Thanks for watching.